Hi, my name's Andy James and I've just finished doing Learn to Play Pantera. There's going to be 5 tracks in this DVD spanning over different albums that Pantera have done. Other techniques besides picking in this DVD, you'd be looking at doing tapping, taking a look at old school licks but used in a kind of more modern context. Dimebag's definitely got a mixture of different things going on. It's quite sort of reminiscent of Eddie Van Halen in a way with a lot of his kind of ideas and whammy bar tricks and that kind of stuff, but I would say probably a lot more advanced from that point of view. It's kind of just an amalgamation of loads of different techniques, really. I suppose with the exception of maybe sweep picking or string skipping or anything like that, but with the way he plays, mainly the things that kind of stand out with his playing are kind of his use of melody and his sheer kind of ferocity in which he plays. My favourite track in this DVD would have to be Mouth of War. I think that's probably got the most killer riff. And also, just the rhythm under the solo for this is such a cool riff. I probably enjoy playing this track over all the other ones. And the solo is pretty cool as well. Although it's not technically challenging, it's just, I really like the note choice. This DVD is aimed at anybody from beginner to advanced that's into metal, into Pantera, into Dimebag Darrell, or they just want to kind of improve their chops, because even they might not be a fan of Pantera and they might kind of check this out and subsequently become a fan of Pantera. I would definitely say beginner to advanced, there's something in it for everybody. There's kind of the technical solos, there's aspects of some of the solos which a beginner, it would be good for them to kind of learn and build up their kind of technique or whatever. Same for intermediate players and stuff. Rhythm as well, that's always kind of, when people learn guitar, I think that's always an overlooked aspect of the guitar, because everybody wants to shred and play fast and kind of do all the flashy stuff, but there's definitely a lot to be said for being a tight rhythm player and kind of doing that. So getting a good mixture of tight rhythm and tight solo playing is going to make you a better rounded guitar player, I think, rather than being just an instrumentalist and not really worrying about the kind of rhythm side of things. So it's definitely got something for everybody.